The TCL 10 5G is a super fast 5G phone. But it's not just about speed. It's about pure, unstoppable video streaming, enhanced by NextVision visual technology. About a quad cam that can capture everything, from the tiniest detail to the most epic experience. About a low-light mode that lets you see in the dark, turns night into day, and keeps you shining in both. The TCL 10 5G is about what happens when you combine these features with the power of 5G, giving you 5 times the download speed, 2.5 times the upload speed, and infinite possibilities. It's about total fluidity. For everything you hear, everything you see, everything you share, and everything you do. It's about greatness. The TCL 10 5G with NextVision. Display greatness.